Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Confirm the project baseline and P6 version, because mismatched versions cause corruption. Open Primavera P6, choose the correct EPS and project, and make sure data is synchronized. Once done, export an XCR or create a database backup to protect your baseline. This lets you revert if edits go wrong. Make sure resource calendars and global settings are visible, so you won't miss constraints or calendars during the upcoming schedule update. You now dive into the core updates, edit activity durations, start/finish dates, and relationships to reflect current progress. When changing links, check for circular dependencies and update lags or leads. Those small numbers shift float drastically. Adjust resource assignments and calendars to reflect real availability, then recalculate. Once recalculated, review critical path and total float, and flag significant edits by using status codes or activity notes so stakeholders can trace decisions. This keeps you finish by running schedule to recalculate all dates and then validate results against the baseline so variances are visible. Once scheduled, perform resource leveling if needed, and review the new critical path to confirm logic. After validation, update %complete and variance fields, save a new baseline if changes are approved, and publish the updated schedule to stakeholders. If dates look wrong, check for constraints or wrong relationship types first. That's the most common problem. Keep a short troubleshooting log for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.